Hi everyone, Drini here, and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to talk about AXS. I remember in my last video, I was talking about a particular price level that we should not break. But unfortunately, because of the dump today, well, let's see how it goes. So before I dive into it, remember in my last video, another pattern that's been forming is we have now started to form a descending triangle right here. This key price level of 141.28 is the current price of the 21 EMA. So this is a very crucial price point. If you lose the support level, then it's confirmation that we are on our way down. And there you go. So unfortunately, we did lose the 141 as a key support level. And because we were forming a descending triangle right here, where basically price has been coiling up, trying to make a decision, it tried to make a rally on the upside, but unfortunately met the EMAs as resistance and started to come back down. So when price fell back down, you may be wondering, why these levels? So why did it hit these levels and why did it not go any lower? The answer to that is quite simple. You had a descending triangle structure right here. When you break structure, whether it's to the upside or to the downside, you have a technical target of where the price broke out, which is the height of this triangle. So when I overlay it here, you can see that the technical target is exactly where we are today, which is around $133. Another main reason why Axie has sort of held these price levels is if you look to the left, you would have seen that these candles right here have pretty much been the swing low here and currently is providing the support levels for this to hold. So now that we know roughly where we are, where do we go from here? Because we have a break in structure, where do we go from here? If you look at the daily, and if you look at the EMA 55 right here, look at the gap. So the potential gap here could be filled by a downward trend all the way to the 55. It also corresponds nicely to where most of the candles were finding support prior to this run-up right here. So it kind of makes sense that if we break down further from here, do expect some more consolidation, probably rest at the 55 where these support candles were in before continuation to the upside. And that's it. I think it's very important to know that dumps like this happen all the time. But instead of getting mad or getting emotional, the more important question to ask yourself is, what are you going to do about it? Are you going to take advantage of the potential opportunities that exist to accumulate more AXS over the long term? This is why I always focus on what's happening from a structural level over the short term. It's not because I want to promise you 50 or 100x gains. Instead, I want to be very specific and see if there are any potential opportunities for you to take advantage of in the short term, because we all know that over the long run, all we need is time and everything will go up. But how do we maximize those opportunities? That's the mindset that I would like you to also take whenever we're dealing with these types of situations where everything seems to go to hell. If you like my video, please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Also, let me know what you think in the comments. If you also have other gaming cryptos that you would like me to look at, just leave it down in the comments below and I'll look at it in the future. Until then, bye bye everyone!